reason they are in government. Asamba akoye me won wapa ni say the NDC has tended to be a comedian party, which I don't know for which reason they are in government. I don't understand. Every NDC minister, I shall say, make comics. They have started making some kind of a content creating ministerial management. As the children saying. And this is not going to say, said the Abayombe to me, I win election 2028. First of all, Ajua Papa, you were another Danko Kufuado and Alpine. A year yen ano. Yamanamra metogana for Tim say. A Juma Bonne, and I say, one year. And now chrono home. Ajuma Papa be you about me and another year piano. The NDC has teamed up with their content creating ministers. Say they will make sure, say, they will make it look like, say, a dear beer and people for ye piano. Nyansa nim, and your chrono dear, nay, and contopo doesn't exist. And ye were the Minister of Justice, who didn't question some media. They were falling minister, Okuja Tabrako, no, so didn't question some media. Na de atwa akoma kura ene eye papa bi ese fe ni OSP kisi ajaben ene akwakwase bi yeso ye minister of road papa na ene John Mahama fira konya so ne that guy will go to prison because watumi award contract edisika ama contractor one fanko parliament a breach of the constitution. Now, akwa yako cancel be parliament say you see how these guys think say every Ghanaian is like the NDC supporter. Short memory. Now, see be why and the better abonten say the body bam boy mafia that they got the money Mahama ni krum bole and to kwesi ho ama ono ankasa ni krum fu ma adwane ekoko d'Ivoire. Ebeye news ma all the portals in the country they brought those news on the media. Emma Yenayete said about 13,000 Ghanaians are no multi bole outdrying Cote d'Ivoire. Emma Okuja Tabrakwa and Antiko Cote d'Ivoire. Ekotucha video sukra de bachelye say a binuma sign abo mochi after the little bit peace was restored. And an akan kai for Cote d'Ivoire. Could you imagine? Said the minister of road of today in the NDC government had the audacity to go to the parliament and tell the parliament say enye nokre say and Ghana fobinom a omoye John Dramani Mahama ni kuromufo adwan Cote d'Ivoire because of war. Could you imagine this? Now, there be a mechanism we said. We thank God said this time around, there is a social media and there is automatic archive. Every serve everything that you talk about. The NDC is forgotten, say, you move from the era of radio stations, any TV station to the media, social media. Your crowd or what the obeka biano, yes, to neguho. So they are still living in the old way. Enti entroning kontomponi boss mukankwa ena mahama ne nkrofo wedi ebu Ghana. Ufane say omodi bu Ghana ne. Yewo haya okuja ta abra kwa konsani Mr. Alien mema Mr. Beka. Etumi kojina ni padudu anim ke say he's coming to launch the Ghana passport bedded with chip. Abra ne yura na do aye amaye nyina ye wo ho video da ho. No wonder say a minister of road onye even internal minister and as onye foreign minister to me sorry our parliament. Instead of him to talk about me he stood up to say Ghana ni bia ni ho a wadwane free Ghana Cote d'Ivoire because of war. Wo dey tie video we tie
unfortunate incidents in Savannah. But Mr. Speaker, there's no evidence that Ghanaians have left the shores of Ghana and are refugees in another country. Mr. Speaker, allow me. Mr. Speaker, I rather know that currently, because of the situation in Cote d'Ivoire, some people in Cote d'Ivoire are rather coming into Ghana. I'm telling you. Yes. Beside me is Honorable Bois. Mr. Speaker, people from Cote d'Ivoire are coming into constituencies like that of Honorable Kofi Bois. So whilst it is okay to ask for a briefing on the current situation, to put it on record that Ghanaians are leaving the shores of Ghana in their numbers because of some kind of lack of safety in our country, it's neither here nor there, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members.
No. Your country will never develop. And turning contempo bra. Video way.
And now the latest.
MP way I was answering Minister of Roads. Meaning what is concerning a Minister of Roads to talk about internal and external matter of the country. Normally no. Enka this same way no mefa more free. Some I walk outside the Oman no announce and same no me cost okro no there. Enka internal interior minister any foreign minister omo adwuma. But I don't know Sako and no answer or court parliament no onom tramado minim so far ready minim, and I don't know who gave him the right to go and sit there and speak such nonsensical statement to Ghanaians. Papa is there is no evidence to prove, but sa video way a joy news okuja tabra kwa nejina hoyi enti asema okuja tabra kwa na oka at the time Ghana for about 14 to 13,000 Ejani free John Mahama ni Krum Ekoi Ivory Coast. Listen to the video. Mi aba maame akuya afro memo akwa papa. Momenti.
Census that has been conducted indicates that you have reduced to about 5,309, and so that means that more than half have returned. We want
tie okuya tabla kwa se hwehwemu omoaye ekire se enipa omoaka Cote d'Ivoire 5,000 something e Cote d'Ivoire ekire se omo afiri ho no omo ye more than omo doso sene enchichemu pe enchemu mienu sabre no na nipa 8,000 ena na adwan afiri Cote d'Ivoire asan ko Ghana tudo na omo firi wo ba na omo ye 13,000 omo firi Ghana ena ba Cote d'Ivoire. But kwasi ampanyi ni we tumi gina parliament kan kire Ghana for say nye no koreda se Ghana for binom adwane ekohwe ekope omuti ewa Ivory Coast. Hey, that is NDC for you. We video.
I want to encourage all of you to return. President Mahama, as Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, has put in place a number of measures. There's been massive security deployment. Camps have been established. A committee has been set up to mediate between the traditional leaders on all sides, and calm has been restored. So I'm here to deliver a message to you from the president that it is time to go back. Don't be scared. You will meet adequate security. You will be safe. So we encourage you to go back. You will observe that your colleagues who returned home are okay, they are safe, they have not had to rush back here. So that should give you confirmation. If you had any doubt that the situation has been resolved, that should give you confirmation. The almost 8,000 people who have left have not come back in a couple of days now. They are doing very well, they are okay, they are being fully protected. So we want you to go back. The 5,309 here, we think that the time has come for all of you to go back, and we are willing to help you, to assist you, to offer the needed logistical support for you to go back to your homes, because everything has been resolved and it is safe for you now to return. President Mahama wants me to convey that message very clearly to you.
President Mahama,
Okujata Brakwa, Oye NDC foreign minister, and Ejina Cote d'Ivoire, because migration officer we ujina Okujata Brakwa and chain Natadi Esheno. Bibiani we chese papa we Ghana immigration officer, Mata ye green. Papa we di akwa ni hon beige color, which tell you say this officer is not a Ghanaian. He's an Ivory Coast migration officer. And our foreign minister, Okujata Brakwe, Kantre Omose. Yenimsena mu ye 13,000 na mu free Ghana ma mu ba Cote d'Ivoire. Asumdua sha ase ba Ghana ma ibinom kura science omo achiko. Enti mo monsan mo chinsan ko na mo kwa. Mo be ko na de bibia toto na kwan mu. Ahobambo no ejina ne nan so monsan komochi na obenya baabi atena entokwa no esu atwa ensem we nyina achi no utumi nya member of parliament or sanso ye minister or sanso ye cabinet minister ebegyina nipa dodo anim ewo parliament ka kire mo se da bia ye nokore se Ghana ni bi adwan Cote d'Ivoire enam tokwanti. How can these people take all of us to say NDC for? And the Short Memory Association is working. The Short Memory Association is activated. Maybe some for senti way enyani mgwase mayen say ye member of parliament or sans ye minister it me din try and say the Ghana for. This is what we call the NDC. Yanto aso na video.
Wana adumwali ana wako ojom aba donkuba anamba tose ya kase ina sitri na ta eje apompaya anamba na aba mbela so baba na nu don kora na do lija yinifie eje weekend ya abala na pur aba wana batana ninga so eje lejuma baba mwana na baya ketia amka security bi a banya afuso de baba so for now
confirm that from what I saw, normalcy has returned and people are going about their everyday activities. I saw some people on the farms, some are cooking in the open, some are washing. So I can attest that everything is safe. Don't be scared to go back. This is the time to go back. We want to assist all of you to go back. We are not happy with this situation. Schools are in session. Our children have to be in school, and we are really concerned that if you stay here, it will affect their academics, it will affect their future. So we want to appeal to you. Everything is okay, everything is safe. The security have been deployed and they are manning the various communities, and the chiefs have assured us that they have reined in the youth, and we are not going to have any reprisal attacks. So please go back home. We want to encourage all of you, the 5,309 who are left here. Please listen to President Mahama. Trust us. We will protect you. Please go back home. You'll be safe.
Enti se utie asemo ya Okujata Brakwe kan. Any video we ya me bo kire we ya papa we tumi sinebo I can't say we are some man saying I say Ghana ni ba bia nwane mfiri Ghana nko Cote d'Ivoire bra. What comes into your mind? Listen to this foolish man. Listen to him. Listen.
Unfortunate incidents in Savannah. But Mr. Speaker, there's no evidence that Ghanaians have left the shores of Ghana and are refugees in another country. Mr. Speaker, allow me. Mr. Speaker, I rather know that currently.
Entimi abami abema video amembo chire o first okuja tabra kwa nkasa jina mu Cote d'Ivoire na all kasa de chire Ivorians a Ghana for monko Ivory Coast o monsamra fie na utie de papa yikaya. That is what we call short memory association. Enim se mo memory na short, so ye betumi aka de epe bia de akire mo e ka mo be atum important is ye be gina so no ye kata ye ne atwa ntro de akire mo. You accept that and you take that as the reality. Now, yenko in another issue. The next issue ne papa bi efe ni OSP. Na me si wiase ame baaye. Ya obo abesa mo akora mfa ne hundi. The OSP is the most useless person in the world. Now, before I comment about the OSP, me, I'm a patriotic citizen. Me Ghana ni ba me do me mind na me pe me mind kanko entime so obi ye bone ampa obi awia Ghana sika ida so yam pipini or NDC ni or why the law must work with the person must be punished. To be honest, me minjira ba bi nko defend obi a ye kese wo wia Ghana sika la. But enye krono ne krono. Enye wo de obeka ena mamaje otum se nipa ne kromfo. Ansa na maje atum se obi ye kromfo no. There must say courtwa ya gina tumu enka se nipa ne kromfo. Then I will support you. Ena me menye obi asabio yesi obi abokrono a me so me camera say me defending nipa no dabi menye sada because said the etie bia say nipa no waye minister pen na ye de krono to ne so abere enye no kra, that person will have his way and manner to defend himself at the court. Say the krono so to nipa no so na sabio no kra esefata se mrane ne bedini e betwena so. So me, I will never defend nobody. Yede krono atoneso. And I will never entertain people to go out there and defend Nkrofua and this ya bind by or the krono atomoso. But what dear michiri, any prejudice. Udi kain bueni pana fans na odina beko court. Oya de wabodam, oya court. Who say these art are political witch hunting because nobody know. So okay, so be abokronoa. Ube to me, akasasem na brother ni panako court. Na court, I decide to say no correct. And nipa way edifo obokrono say your fa kwan we so the bokrono court to jitum. Judge for atrasem no so akasasi aje tum sa akwa abokro no yebetumi e de asem ato so na say the asem to so ana na nkire se udifo na say especially e de asem to obi so na enipa a oye atentrene ye kan say so afo emmom ne ba bonten edikan ebekase nipa ne kromfo abra onfa ne nko attentrene dibire ema yeni emua nipa ne fa. That one makes me understand say these are all comedians. Enti amudi kan say every minister or any ministerial position in this useless government, they are content creators to entertain their idiot supporters omonam te tankese no me ba de enti America asem we in 2025 February ena kwasi ampanyi bi ese fe no kisi ajaben ebe gina bonten ka kire Ghana for say we declare Kinoforiata wanted me abema a charge yedi asem ato so eni se yebu awfo. It is two different things. Enti sa odi asem to me so na wunya maami akwanya ema me meyi me ho ano o mfa amasem nko court ema judge ntimi ntra asem no so mua me fo a how can you list me as a wanted? Who the stupid is that kisi ajaben me be ma utie me dofo me si obi bogan a mind krono me I want to say the Lord deals with the person and bring the money back and jail the person too. Because and found so young people ni udi or minor wu ubo minor krono wi o mani sika e Ghana for man ebre enti me dem fam ho enti so young people ni obo krono a me I sustain say yen chill na yen punish yen jiu sika confiscated yen jiu ho niema na san phone kotum na mfa onye example en fan kire nkai for it. I'm not defending crime. That be I'm a righteous man. Me, I'm a righteous man. Believe me, I'm a righteous man. Now say the mere righteous man, no. I also believe we say by the natural justice, would the asem to nipa soa and trese nipa ni difo. And I say would the kind of court to and trese would dibem. Na ye wo papa bi ese in special prosecutor na do danko akufuado na adwenem kwanya obefa so ankobe more minor konanim in terms of corruption real issues. It is our office way, but kwasi ampanyin we use our office no as a manner to protect himself and to enrich himself. It's said Jimmy we special prosecutor with her. Sandy Temaklo at America, ye dinner some more court to a jail no for 10 years imprisonment. Kwasi ampanyin kisi ajaben to Ghana say until se dogo bino nabe. He's not activating a practice of extradition to jail her in Ghana. Me atemi yepa. So the man can just say MPP near the Ghana for yesika acheno tum no. That is the same thing that you must do. Kesi ajaben to why ne se sakoto nine akwa say ejina ho say de ekoso bia no hui but Kinoforiata eye allegation mom na yede ato ne so no. This stupid man as a onim law as a onim mra as a onim bilateral agreement or mind bi ne or mind bi eyo eto omuntam as a onim. Jimmy, you are saying say papa na disika ento kofana ba na as a lawyer practitioner yenim so ye lawyer and so obey special prosecutor wunimu say there is no state, especially that's the Western world, how moye kofa by of democracy say obetna ho say kofa your opponent fani free America fani bra Ghana bejere no abra court to be any na someone can say nipa we no kure se wabokro no heck no for what is the name kisi ajabe we dwamfunu wo mrempa ye kase human rights the violation of human rights no even to a point ye won nieba bi ohokra na o man mu no we ya udi for but e bia na wote man bi so a sa man no mu no sa de no entiamra. You cannot do the extradition. That become an application for asylum. I don't know why. A man were better than Akunanim. Ye won kwasiafo mo ni munyansa and you go some sensitive positions. Kesi Ajaben nanim ena akwawe ye fe say ato forcing. Jimmy ato forcing na we on mind sika inside of Ghana ambulances for human health. Jomahama buying afali no prosequa to their cases. Eja omo ema na to forcing a minister of finance. Mr. Edison, and I'm so causing a loss to the state. It breaking the Ghana financial sector to the point to say now will be with 50,000, 50 Ghana city crowd bank now kwa kuya ukwa yesi nye pisika mfama wa bank. John Mahama Jaumo abra court wenya a reason enye charge yo court ahi omonkra temaka say there be nkrofo omo abokro no wosu ye the special prosecutor Jimmy osesa kotose ene kotonan oti ho ama ye ja nkrofo we you did not do nothing but ene Kesi Ajaben timi mananim ebe jina ho ka kire Ghana for say he has listed or he has undersigned a document that says Kinoforiata wanted and he needs to be extradited from his country, from America to Ghana. Abra only Kinoforiata semo court. Emma court unjejeno is the man or Yariana. Adri ben working Kesi Ajaben team. Abodam. Kesi Ajaben oyare na I will yanko NDC for mama nipa bro ye party ben kura mponi krofo we dey omo parliament ya omo power Ghana man no kwabena Japan na asem mintimi hwe TV popiem enkwase asem nko a comedy nko a comedy nkwa na nkwasiafo be yesa nkopim so omo berebeduru omo bereduru na omo kwa na yachi omo agum up to now MPP ni hwan na yachi na tom with the judgment yento asna me nkoma asem so Kesi Ajaben just February no ba abonten so ono according to him Kinoforiata adibone na akwawe ba abonten obeyesa video na meka kire Ghana for say da bi papa wo yare untimi nkofo obi free Krobia ye friend America. Just like that, a man in ye. So only statement from a court wa say nipana no kreso wa bokro no. The American state will never allow you to take him away. Empono. You have to look through because bet me aba said you are mind be or what yes say we a minister, a president, an MP. Now we a Juma be in the name of the state. Now we from so be procedure of doing that. You are not punishable because you were working in the name of the state. Mistake is different from Sawa Bokrono. Mistake in being saying, say I was say be unconfirmed and unfound parliament, men enko approve, and one found and I'll demand somebody directly. And any a mistake. You can say you did not follow the right steps. These are the mistakes. But say be a bicycle and wapaja and ya kwasho botoma and any a chrono. That one there, every country does not sustain that. And this amosi Kinoforiata ne boni awaye nyina ne say or the contract ama will be LSM or Shawine. Abra won't go through the right procedure. That does not mean automatically say, Ewa America my mono or D4 ho. Kinoforiata what them Kesi Ajaben is mad in his brain. Enti akowe babonton obeye sa press conference.
Ladies
and I make catch the Ghana for say akowe onim the oyo. Se Kinoforiata ko file asylum, say he is persecuted by the political opponent in Ghana. Now with the charges and charges will go because of contract and one he will never get Kinoforiata back in Ghana. I don't know which law this foolish man learned.
Gentlemen of the media, a few minutes ago, I signed a directive declaring a high-profile person a fugitive from justice. This person is wanted by the OSP to answer charges in respect of several cases, including the following. 1. Contractual arrangements between Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited and the Ghana Revenue Authority for the stated objective of the enhancement of revenue assurance in the downstream petroleum sector, upstream petroleum production, and minerals and metals resources value chain. 2. Termination of a distribution, loss reduction, and associated network improvement project contract between the Electricity Company of Ghana Limited and Beijing Zhaochen Technology BXC. 3. Procurement of contractors and materials and activities and payments in respect of the National Cathedral project. 4. Activities and payments in respect of a contract awarded by the Ministry of Health, initially commenced by the Ministry for Special Development Initiatives to Service Ghana Auto Group Limited for purchases and after-sales service and maintenance of 307 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 305 CDI ambulances for the National Ambulance Service. And 5. Payments out of and utilization of the tax refund account of Ghana Revenue Authority. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, the fugitive's name is Kenneth Nanaya Oforiata.
Papa Webeka Asemoya and Mekache Ghana for said this guy don't know what he's talking about. Enti okwa actually no. Omu say he cannot do whatever he's talking about. On se bese 8 months in here. Asemwe yayera. Kinoforiata arrest no extradition papa we can one sem January February no for good 8 months in here on can one sem bim adentia because oko fi oko hwe book mu ye no. But once we din kwasi asem or can sem funu asem no kan nyansa nim. You cannot list him wanted on these allegations. Now no you one and this yasoja gwa we pam say now we are useless sir. What promising food soldiers? Akufo ado na busiam for yes your mo ase MPP for ye go money mase. And bosume nwotwe Kinoforiata wo here. Akwesi onim Kinoforiata and then this for say ne sa na te dia. Mahama should close that office because nipa na oti hono or he useless. He's not doing his job well. Bra. Jimmy we pese obelusu ne na juma o yentino. Na no ba bontra o se afei na nensa kan de no hia ansa na obetumi aye extradition. Edekeno for the ataba. Na mbisa ma ho se so you did not have enough evidence even to charge him of a case. But you came out there to damage an image of such an important figure called Kinoforiata. Papa wabre ni mojamu odine mai odine na koma to hwa ye jumaden dia mane mai ejira ne nan so. You were able to come out just to disgrace him for your stupid pride. And I'm saying papa Nanado tiako nyaso pesika wiade ato amoka atena mose onfa mawunti no. You just hated him. And I would Jimmy inti wako incite NDC food soldiers. They want to they want to rubber star everything concerning MPP. And wako incite you. And then ye chwa homaso. Jimmy ote office one ho hwehwe no ye be yimi adi. Ehe na metna na no ye ba abonten a friend is saying Power radio, Power FM, Mugabe, or Sikwasi and Panyin we ni fie, Kasi egu ho, a door so send the ojo Mahama fie. Stupid there so Kisia Japan. Na Juma won so oba ba hwirintino, and now about bonten say omo man bre na in this year 2025 no or the kinoforia tabeba Ghana. I swear to my God, me ma ohwem na ohwem animu ye. Sa kwa we won. At the end, this guy will run away from Ghana and he will not come back again. Because he is rotted. He is full of corrupt or ye cromforche nipa nyina wo wiase. That OSP no or ye cromforce this guy unim allegations say go akwa we neto. You know what? This guy don't want to go out of the office because of office open. Audit general will go into the accounts and find some things there. So he's organizing how he can run away from the country before he will be dismissed from the office. That guy, that stupid Kisia Jabeng, will run away from Ghana and he will never come back again because of entro ene krono awabo. Krono akwe krono awabo. Papa wait me beside about $27 million. Or the talkers and quad or the Bayer Juma. Oh, yeah, there. Kwasi Ampanyini. Etienne Abusia. And this is for Pusha Quano, who will be Unina. I feel Babontra. I say finally, I fail when your letter. Obey to me, Eddie Kenoforiata Nasem, Ewonachi, a brack Kenoforiata Niho. Now, say what you say more, it is all about contract. Awarding of contract to others. Enyese Kinoforiata Afagana Yesika from the office, from the accounts of the Minister of Finance into his personal accounts. Enye crime ewa America. And the America will never allow you to extradite him because se uko kusiki asylum, you see human rights. There are things prohibited. Highly prohibited in your country. But be a wusiki asylum no. Say nye crime and I say nye prohibited. Just say nye chiwadie and I say nye bone na ukuru mpone ye bone and nam say bra woso hwehwe ahobambo no ujira manfoforo so a saade ne nye bone no etumi di gina so e ma woka kuronum esa ma okrata e wotumi ma wotumi di ko wiase afana nyina. Unless your country itself. And Kisia Jabeng, so what Jimmy or Mena mentioned a little bit about refugee what them call process. And at the Muye, second of the Tatigana and Kamodi Nkwasia Mena as Papano and Nako to prison. Just to showcase yourself. Jimmy, Kakinofuriata and Sagan is come only. Once Sagan is come, a man will live with the luxury style of life. Nananado. Papa boy Juma but nipa binu mo hopa because nanado mindset is I don't want to do winner take all. Let's involve our brothers from the other side. Na yenya Juma pamfansum yamai. Nana say there. The boy the you are any. The Kisia Jabeng papa and sister koto nine. The odi ye unye the odi you are any. Going after your cousin na home fano. Jimmy sign this special prosecutor. What they name they achew. I am to aso. Abusia yenti video we see maybe phone lines na tum no be to me afre.
Da ben bayan neno eye cosmetics. Se kan da hodo. Tieme to me. Eye kabima min kabia mamuo. Tu ka wadwen wie me so betima ka madwen. Kise jabe onye court.
O kan wie no so won tia se dia e wonon headache.
Office of the Special Prosecutor and na press conference akokraba eye cosmetics
Etumpan
na wonim de ntia eye cosmetics no
hwene akasa
ya petition se Kisia Jabeng yampam no yanyina di from the Office of the Special Prosecutor. Enti Kisia Jabeng wonam ho nyina no ni ti hihim ni ti kobenkum na banifa and minim se what petition no. Say a petition campaign John Dramani Mama. Say Kisia Jabeng, the special prosecutor, yam pamno na won ko wanya djuma ye. Ente na dia wo be no wo ya dia amana ahye NDC for munyam ama NDC for ka hey kiseja mo ye adwuma pa once I say by the close of November sa can operator nom ne nkrofo keka ho no ye de ombe gina mranim ye be charge omo ye cosmetics
wa she
ye ni atigana o antumu twin fa trick se ni azano ma bi eme me keka nsam ntungum enko omuntimi nchi hute e okruma akwaba I'm telling you
Shenia kasa.
na yetimi chi a NDC fo asabe no mo ho asem wo court astati di asem court ni asem nyeye yenya attorney general wo kroma Dominic Ayene ni din ba ko bi kan ye friend say akutringa
wey boy
mo say akutringa
wa she
lawyer also your friend say
I put in you thing.
Me need time to waste.
A whole attorney general abai lawyer paini there wo gina ho ma o ma mu ni nyina wo
Ne ka na da ho do.
yankasa NDC lawyer paini yankasa domama lawyer paini yese abai lawyer paini
Etumpan
attorney
Shenia kasa.
entuba me ho ban
Shenia kasa.
wo NDC ni ho ban wo CPP ni ho ban wo makola ni ho ban wo farmer carpenter soldier teacher ko twitwa case nim say wo ni interest e wo case nim bio Bank of Ghana governor no jina court
Eno na me dwen ho a menti ase.
Sedu Agongo Class FM opuni no mu jina court
Eno na me dwen ho a menti ase.
ana no mu jina court Collins Dawuda na wo jina court Dr. Kwamina Dufo na wo jina court
Eno na me
Collins Dawuda no mu jina court Samuel Fosu Ampofo no jina court Kwakubu ahin no jina court ye twitwa ma na twitwam ato forcing meba ho
ne ka na da ho.
na ato forcing de ye wo mu ni say eye eno na lawyer kan ye no
Me need time to waste.
am say Nyankopɔn kɔ no Yesu wo kɔ soro ahima mu no sɛ soro ahima mu wo hɔ de a miminim ba sɛ soro ahima mu wo hɔ na wo kɔ de a odi jam MPP fo
ye kan we aso be
because ahuma bure wo MPP mu no akwa be dɔso too much aboro so
Kukurudu.
yenya MPP fo bi a time ato forcing gina court no na mo patɔw yenya papa no papa ne nyehwe o yemfa nche no yemfa ne yekrokro eno ngba ye de che ye de chanka chama untumi ye ni sei ba for stock boss ye de chan nka mo ye ni sei asibe ye de chanka ye ni sei enti adrum mra is MPP ehia bibi and I'm telling NDC for 2028 MPP ba power wo Ghana temi pa
Ne ka na da ho do.
and sansem hunu wo ya NDC for ye no ebe koso pepepepepe bibia nsesa wo akwaba bibia ene nkoma MPP for na becheme lawyer nka becheme atum bibi sisa mo becheme atum
Etumpan.
sani ekoi sa pepe enti me kra me dat o mo nko ni se ya mo nko monche Monko sonche sawami yanko se binka ho
Etumpan.
ofasuru
Kukurudu.
mega monche no usuro se bechi wafra
Kukurudu.
monko so a
Shenia kasa.
na de wudua no ampanyin se eno ana ye den utwa wo binka sa wo biti wo mai sika me enche no I'm not saying that
And papa dey no kan ko say.
because mpanyinfo ni bi wo mudi omusika ya mfreme
I ask you to be citizen.
afanya bi ani akraba wanya bi ani na wodi bi kura no anya se obedi oman sika ye pijama ye chichiri man
Etumpan.
yeah debia ye disika ofa debia people for disika debia disika mo ba abusu mi dunie court no mo dia court no nkrofo gu obebiri ana mo nkrofo nguo mo ba chief justice kwa mapam no what does he ya chi obi ya ba ye di nipa na kotum se wa disika
Maka na mbele meka bia maka.
Abusian former be phone lines now to Mosu to me for now. And this is the most useless party that has ever ruled Ghana. Now, Yana and simply why am Me a pass. We have some youth in the country, they are doing and at the NDC, which NDC? Such a bogus party, such a thievery party. All what they knew is about winning power. When they're in opposition, they will make promises as if they are God. But so mobile power, and they start stealing. They start deceiving. They start turning everything into like a chaotic situation. Now, Abisham video be I want you to listen to this video. Let's talk about this video. It's an important caution that we have to talk about. So omoya kromfo to the point to say adwuma kura MPP ayeno enam so omope omochefa omope kwambi so abo oman no kro no ntino they find a way always to make it look like say obi awi oman no. And it's very a shame. I'm telling you. It is very, very, very a shame. Say, say the National Health Insurance. Sasem we are ba mentan kano say friend is saying the actual Minister of Health. Enama bontene eye dede sa amanfo abokro no amanfo awia ena ye de adwuma kwa akoma a company bi omo database ewo India ni nyina eye fabricated stories. So let me explain to you why this is a fabricated story. The reason is that Ghana maimu yaka amayati asese ministers no so mo the contract ema company bia their compensation in that contract no is equal to 15% of the total amount. The nyina ne say enam say kwasi ampanyini we baaye National Health Insurance ya ye ho adwuma amana gina na nan so na onnim nyansa so the different initiative bebanti no na obetumi assign contract ama a new company at the health minister na wanya bibia di wo ho nti no contract ya ye ho adwuma amana si a contract no e koso kama no e sa contract na sa jimini no so okwa den okwa cancel na wakwa ma new contract wonya 15% yadi adentia the National Health Insurance Management no ya ye contract where you cannot make money out of it. It is function ya ye adwuma up to 75%, aka only 15%. Pekwasi ampanyi we say 15% ya openti no Ghana for say yen spend the additional money enti kwan ben so na obeye ama waje disa asema okan ye nokre no ane se obegu minister na oyese adwuma no obegu nani masese wabokro no na waje di ansana otumi award new contract to somebody else ye ni ngwase ense emfata nankopon adom bibia abokọ na wonso e
Well, said them tell kakra.
ayo enokre na sina me ba life kura me ba na najo late, very late. Yeah.
Okay. Some dedika make you for I mean for wuti wo nyina.
Obi ajo so.
Yes sir. Na ya sample started the business for ma na nkola na nyina ho titi.
Obi aho ye pa brapa nye obi aho ye.
Yedenya kupa say and so odi ache na yes first November mo.
Yeah.
I mean, could be our normal be our by or how do be so. I don't think Dana. You hear be a piano, or I don't know be Adam, or more in Anna, and she will be a year.
Amen.
My case is that, and then you have phone, and I have no phone, and I want to pass when you are.
Be a better.
It's a mouthful. Then the time it's not that they can't say. The same road minister, not more kind. I had truck a seat pan with you. Now, no could the Tonquana, Eka, you cook yet. Or could you took on the whole in the car when young put a grammar swamp or get Marina? Okay, I say, MPB, Equi, a fella not the vista, you're fleeting. A something inside who may be more.
Okay.
As you are hope, as you are hope, be no free. And he, I'm like 2 or more quail, also come back. Mamma Moko US acquire conference. We don't send my son emptiness of me.
Yeah, only a foreign minister, a ranking member in a foreign ministry. Yes.
More thank. And he might a number of saying of Occupy and of Bedin or Bacano, Creature, could get to a black one or also what's supposed to go, or could you talk black father? Or send a ticket to a report to Yamanan could be some and if I know a year, a fair mark in the MPP phone of the scarred cocoa boy, a command some fun to get and to be an in your fire. And also my boy, I can say, and the this is for the year, and could a party, all can be. Cotumpono. Now, the meeting I can say, the Ghana for the pay, and almost Saka. And I don't want so. Almost find a strange answer. Tabi yeni patuntum Ghana for special. Sadie we end this for Saba Domama that Ghana star bana one yeno. As the Ghana for the strange answer, papa, na MPP for some penny for no, and so the strange answer. Na 92 channel, movie channel, I can get a phone. Contompony, a true phone on one of those catches will be our Ghana on. And in Yama, or Yenny Patapa, and I'll say Patapa or Liberty. Oh, young for Patapa, and you go school. I don't know, I can't see any echo. And you got to go for the house for much. I got to go for the house for Western House for 7 years. Born of Raya, much more not a motor me. What to be paying? What to be paying? I said, what to be paying? And I said, I didn't know, oh, yeah, so won't you and Penny for said, won't you on your mouth and catch the I don't know. I'm not for who super no about. What's the change now the Patapa and I and I make I can say, it did kind. Mesti akupon shira eno na dom ene mogbo se won fa ne modano enom abronye na abronye de wa bo MPP for pa o
bebere kwa
abronye bo MPP for papa me kano in authority enya hodam ne modano yi kira abronye nyansa ne nimbia yakupon de ma no ane wo yi kana ja pon to ntem anya sade a enka obetena radio so am yeso akasa am ye konwa akitintini keke enka be sa dinkugo. So, I'm going to get SMPP phone penny for already, and MPP phone penny for so. I can't get the Canada phone yet. Sika, what the mamma went to win to Minka, General Secretary Wakahobi. General Secretary Wakahobi. After say, the Canada phone Yanano, Obi to Minka, Sika, quite yellow. Are you going? Or class of the quiet compare or what me about Tempest Naka Sagan of Crana say?
This is a group of Mancasa say no crap. Now, I'm so on Fanquay campaign.
So, just said that he can get a secretary, and Cabronia and the Cocas and say, we are. Nabonia, the Coye, BB San can do this dinner secretary for the Abonia of Betel.
Dabi.
Honorable, as I make a Cabronia pan, Abonia Suma walking, Bonnie bed pan, Abonia, ya. I want for by Sabonia and a good party. Abonia party on Gununti, but even Abonia.
Abronyo or crap party, no, or can't some say you seen a city.
BBC want to form be an Abonia so about catchers as well can opera. Share as until 20 MP, Papa Penny when you do say. I won't I say, Dr. Baumia, the bear campaign, Mawanka, a Yinka Ulu, Papa Penny, as well, and because as well, I'm a cannibal. I won't go as until 2 for you anymore. As until 2 corners, I am from Amfra. So that's why I can see. That will be a fan of Padre.
Yeah.
So, action for
I go for any you for your crop for you now at the same. Maybe a papa would the MP. Na papa anyone when you do won't fear do say. Now to me back one team because I same way where you so and you fear mpo. Na papa na tell you who nyansa who wadene. And then yes no a kone mo. I'm just here way. And one said and I'm for no more year near what was the same sa first a year can first neck cassette and I near you so. Cassette to come by a call yeah. And a DVD buy a pen drive is there.
Yeah.
I said, the be never chip you away at the floor. The be never chip you away at the floor. Maybe I said, the young sending penny phone between and on my general so I phone bunch. And I you know, quality Gusu, I am the bishop be never create him. Dr. Baumia, and dear power pay him for so a gun of war, and you're free one. Said you papa penny mona would a so one master, Boguano. Yes, I would trim a cabinet contrary to Sakas down quite a same way. Papa Penny, when you fear the MP, walk off 4 times. Walk off 4 times. Last year, Dr. Baumia and a poor warrior Sanka, among what to a bet yao.
Near cross and
a lawyer to start. And a lawyer count. Yes, a
lawyer. Yeah.
But to say what Papa Penny, what a whole we can question, we said a question. Papa Penny walk a car, and young Sapa be the woman. There, Baumia, or Yakofano, or Yi, I Fetuni, and what to cocoa and every said, we are in Ghana Carman. Papa Penny, who can assassin we are. I didn't him. I didn't pass over Papa Water, and I was just so never dear, I was that's why Papa Penny, won't fear do saying, come back with job on thing, no assassin we actually any part. But the American say, your best friend. So be a Santa Tum side, who be a fanche. Not doctor, Juventina would, you know, what you could take. Doctor, Nimidia Kutano, and
Catani, me ya Santini Pio. Miss Rodena Quada to me, dear. Me fear Hinio. Me Passamic Trail, Papa, one no sooner would the cancer and the from. Now, body mono, ye need aqua and a Bible Corano, Joseph for 1 Catalina way a day.
Yeah.
No more pony reano, a channel, one of a dinkunim.
Oh no.
Get a to the biome. Mama Yaka for ye, brilliant people who ye did be ye did be moya, missing. But send me couldn't have to have a transfer for 4 times at a time.
Yeah.
And I'm a boy.
Yes.
Papa, ya boy, some way. Upon you, Bonnie, I would trust your man, Colavin and car. Upon you, Bonnie, I would trust your master, dear for Papa. I don't know one fish or Mamma Bruni be. And now one shadow about Bruni be a mamma do position. Now one continent you say, Minya greedy, my class on 9, 83rd one of them in the Bema Crabia Cotanaso. Papa, ya boy, me a samra. Me busao. Share. We agreed. We agreed. Na me crashing and put one monam fair. Dear what country? Ghana for the tour about my doctor Mahmoud Baumia.
Yeah.
Ghana for Papa ya Babia Samuel Busa won't fair. Papa would trick on no minimum Busa won't fair. Near Mahama Tiswa warrior no. Do you like Mahama to continue for another few years back again? And then do you like say the best star was probably to say Mahama bang so a moment no treat Ghana for thing. At the end of the day, I Kufuadwa bem ye Busa. Na Kufuadwa bem. What more standing in a nipa no one mu be a kind of saying. Yeah, Papa Brand Japan, and I'm a boy.
Yeah. I judge upon it on.
Or more master na muknasu 8 good years. Nanado. And Shafuro be a. She said, Bia, where ye about will end. No, a chapel at the Biako show. When you could grow no and Shafuro be a. And the Papa ya Babiatam way. What's your problem? Let Ghanaian citizen, not you. Would you soon you for so be a mamma Bruno? Because we are penny na do ye be a day. We are penny, would the any say, would you over the number Bruno one moment? I had to say, I can't say. I'm not for a fearful be more bar, no, my better to a more age so. The pension called bra, yeah, because what was the mojan in war bread or patrol for pension. But a num say, one for no credit, I'm banking, not all bread. Papa ya bobo samwa, ya pasi ya catch them say, and no more greediness, and a ya tiabo chedama in Chilimanaya day, as for fact. It's your pasi ya catch us say, so what the frequency anymore? Sadia Mahama catch in 3 months. I read them penam, ya win Namana day. Akadon penum. Papa, what for 4 times can you drop the chebawumia on you obia? And I've done a Nibian who make say, and your doctor allowed Mamudu Baumianti, and you lose Suabano, and you Nana Point selfishness, animal greediness. Say, you to me, I am poor MPP for Kola, ne biba, no be you or Munadi.
I can't Japan crofone.
Dabi Nana do point aye MPP for no.
Yeah.
Pointing Kulani be a man crofoni be baba be ye woman.
Sakwane di Canada Japan chien.
Yo, ya wabia some way, Papa. I know there was some cancer fortune. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was appointed to support Nanado as a vice president. So about Echo fighting your maba. Mona na mo from an uncle, some motion Nanado a Timano. Mona na what a motion Nanado, but you are the Puma, Nani Mobashon and Trano coin. But what did you guys do? What did Nanado to Tankuru, Mutan Nanado? Nanado are buying all real secret to say the end is real because a 12 daddy and then end this real, but for most bomb charge. Nanado buy no, the president says stuff no, send a more the chair woman. And this buy one top for no triple. A dear Namoka. Nanado are buying any. A woman phobia of ponty or somebody like to say that being he doesn't deserve.
Absolutely not.
That useless mongo. Mr. Master said the sister for Papa.
Champion.
Because see, I'm paying this ano. Minim sending in son of Boson Cra, and that's what Ponin would drive him more than a buyer. Ni trust the chum. A boy, may say, could see that being. Say on your coupon and your bonfire. No man be overcome to be an cock. Let's bread. Then your coupon bois, not on lifting a hand. A boy MPP form of Musaba power. Could see a jabbing. There won't be any hole for you to enter. There won't be anyone because you're saying so. When you question, and Fanny Koshe.
Absolutely.
It's Munia MPP Mamuliki Musa from my fingers no up to mo elbow no. Ne Musimon leaky. I'm an accent in the Mupasam MPP abano at the Tankuru Mudia. I swear to God, you people will pay dearly. Share. We are saying, "Dear Nakupon Chiri, Nakupon, I dear what she wanna mum say. You don't know how to say thank you,
Yeah.
and you don't know how to say sorry or please. More this MPP fa kwaboni sunyinala. More MPP, ama ya recognize him as a human being. Mudini, ababidi mumudini." Abba, baby, I'm here who some more. Namosumu ye nipa. Nene, Momo say, more than mo chairman MPP. Kama, ebe famu se rapture. Mupa muma ke baby nsuon kare. Mu ye greedy, obi otumi kasa tia MPP. Aben bia no, eye greediness. Ene eye den, kuno. Me question, me person me busta, amansa omutie Mr. Mafu nyanse. Can someone, so obi beka said, obi mokiti alanchamatia. Nana do the second eshe alanchamatin kom se. Alene, wusu wu ko akwa play start bella. Etino, sama by two. Allah make a choice.
Yeah.
Me, obi Breman na no catch me say. Can the Japan want Allen to lose? No ni bawumia enko contest no. Nipa no catch me no. Oh ye NDC ni. What trick where you can say Canada.
Okay.
I say, not can the Japan person only bawumia mumuna ne contest no. Allen should go. Second the Japan son me boa omla me community.
Wow.
Huh? Can the Japan? True. Say, no one person even though crampona na muno. We are more popular. And Allen no. No one person Allen ne bawumia mumu ne be competition. No person will ne bawumia mumu ne competition no. Can the Japan? We are Stanley papa. I'm sorry, Papa. Such me. That is me, Mama Nuntia, but we are Stanley. We are truthful. No what this civil Ghana for? No one that nipa na. Eti obia o tie bia no. Mamu nyama dwene say. MPP ni bia chinchin alensa e de ma bawumia. Ano bia so said Canada Japan. A sitting president as Excellency Nanado. That time no what power no. No china what say. I will give you showdown. Ye pesi e bisa wo say. Obi di sika abeto minimum.
Dabi.
E ye wo no kasa ene ye de bu. Ken. Obi ani watamo. Every opportunity be na wo benya be na wo di MPP anim ye den. E to akompre. Wo di MPP anim tutu from to say rag. But ene reality and the karma bua mo be and drama something kind of so mo be and tell to power ni sun cafe obi intimidate Canada Japan cannot be intimidated.
Absolutely.
And then there was some do what journey after all. Go back, na go play the video nina. Go back. Go play every video be a kana ye piano. He was attacking MPP. Eti me pesa me chere mo say. So what to me try superhighway no so and now man something tato. Na what to me Jimmy, na mo blow man no eka say. Obi intimidate kana. Me pesa me catch o so mo nyina mo Jimmy. Mo dwene ensure energy nam. Sitting president can't threaten na. Who can threaten? One about me threatening Canada Japan. That time no not buying what power original public threatening not buying and threatening vice president. Na and now that buying is so one bit me intimidated can. Wouldn't me answer yes can work for J. Me before na me use so be a logistica or can abe propaganda too. But now no propaganda more on social media to no. I'm me believe say you guys are being paid by Canada Japan.
Of course.
Ya be no coins and a mugidie and a mobile because if you know that obedient to be a chairman na mutie obedient kwachisam e chairman na mumatie one be to me intimidate can and work for propaganda for eti munyina ya pese ya kasa mu say munyina mu ka ho and MPP sabotage Ghana mu amunene mu wona mu kwade mpasua points na mukasa no munyina muka ho na Ghana esenke munyina muka ho na mu wi amaka mababa be gina ho ababa be kasa obi intimidate no. Can you all shut up your dirty mouth? I was social media no so na mo me ya enkwa didie so what you say
Yeah.
mo amo say vice president excellency
First lady.
first lady all free Ghana no we say no mo yiri no mo kro mo free Ghana no emfaso be ne nya wo mo so some first lady in free Ghana second lady in free Ghana ye pese ye busamo momo yiri no na mo de da mo china mo se mo de mo twi mo ho no ye busamo say why emfaso ben ene nya fru hwe second lady agina ho eye campaign di ma FPP ba power e ma mo transcription what 8 years adi me I'm a fire to say in Nanka. Who said you know deep papa and yiratam? You guys are disgrace to human mankind. The person me catch them we are no what for especially more for more santi for no movie. We are man bofo we are care for what you care for. There the person catch them say and you and yet dear more country and ye be papa and yirama.
Dabida.
Musoria na maswa mo ma beto todan wa brochire musu sam ho beto todan wa brochire musoria na mutu play mu first class business class what say ma ko bi o ya na me twa ticket na mu busa me kra
Economy ana
economy dey some ta ko ba ko bi o premium
premium
me say British I was who try take it down. What she be busa ho no. Oh, eti me pese me busa sa mo start take it ni nyina wie. Na mo bet na brochire, na mo de, na mo me kwa ha o, me ko New Jersey, me ko ya kan say Buckingham Palace, me ko ye friend say hina mo bubodini. Ye busa mo say, why can't you make your country be exactly the same? And me fa subway and me tena ha me tena tre mu ko ha and me kwa munye mukuro mu ye na mu hu aniwu ya bo abia samwe na mu ntia broche na aba Ghana papa busta ye tre ye e fa to a emebunu no anya fru so akohwefo sansafo bi tetam munya mu boa na mu ne mo yire ne mu maka kra bi adi che yenya yete ha no aprapra eni ayi ni yayo boja eni yedie ye kwa ya kwhwe ye mere wa ne yaba papa nfie tumi boa efiefuo ni bi ye ni hweo yenya yete abrochire no ye nkuta aban post bia wo Ghana ho eni ye nkuta aban post bia yo wo United Kingdom ho nanso so ye tumi di adma bi aso obi a on free ya bem ye tumi boa na munja mun sam fo na mutete Ghana ho no na bo papa ne mbra no ma boa mabunu because na ni suade ehunu no ebia na abrochire ha ye wo papa na ni suade ehunu no di ode boa na do aban no we are seeing it and ye free say it's enough for him to come back and continue what he left it with Nanado. But when you know ho na ka say onu nti ena ntokwa wa Ghana mu dia ene ye pese ye kire mo say ye de ne beba mo pa mo nko se de emfa ye ho ye nsuro mo de mo ba ye no mo nye se no nti na kari na mu ayi ba bi a wo di nkwasi asam na mo ntumi nkan kire no ne dia ye yatra bonkelu yatra apena ne to
yes
mun manyini a munyini wo madwunem na mo fa ade papa nyankirima na munja nsem hunuma mo kwatena radio station na mudie no se munnim kasa mo tena ho na mantumi ambo mo ne ma mutumi ye ho ban na mo mama hama any NDC too futuro edigu Ghana for it no and na omutifo omujimi show be to say Sam George nkwasiafo nkwatena radio issue na wodi akutia edi ba wo miatam no na wotena ho na wo ka Sam George de odi ye mabunu na ana de odi ye Ghana ana de odi ye Ghana telecom ne de keka ho na nka ya babia Samuel ke bebu ye so mama ke bebu so ye
bebre
ke bebu so se wo kutashwa ene kotie wo wa ha mu na de okwatena ho because ba wo mia o pakasante no wokwatena ho ana wo ka no papa ye bu so ye nyansani o ye bu se adwene no akakaka di okudata brokwa ene ayi mahama beka ne nansan ne se o srote kudi ta beba no papa na ka o so beka se papa mahama we die ya bre we di ntra bre wo na wo se wa ban wo di ntro kakra no waka no kura kakra beti we die papa eya wo na wo be stage uku a papa yesro
open long term
open long term because what are you nanado buy and within 3 years to 4 years no ye be ansa na COVID ebe taking nanado na so over free mo no hwede nanado ye papa ya bobo asamoy no na ka so be bo ku dawuru emu obi ahu wo pesa minkumnya ene wo greediness ene wo selfishness ntino o kwase asama abetana wo kan nyansa ba akukura nim etime ko papa sa ko na koda sumiyeso me na sumiyeso because me that's na me kwade beta na me ko asem mo atantefo mo akafo na mo say yesi adwene wo hoyi e wo sumiyem ba me dia me na sumiyeso ntimi nim sa adwene ne me kutabia wo daso no papa koda subiem na usumie na koda so ma beta na abekeka nkwase asem no na ko sumie no nyeden e mo wadwene na mahama no na mo mbonachi mahama na watching na mamuo no na mombo na chi okuja ta brokwa what the foreigners say by enehe would determine pe Ghana mu security is dead is kaput eno ana papa ya bobia samwadwene ho so wo so le kwatna radio station bi no na me bie kwa no nya me hira ma okokokodru fi a fatdaye den so me nyankopon because ono na abo ho by security bi ani kromo na munya munsam kankan ene mataka mude attack Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene ne yire ene na omo support no munya you either you like it or not he will come to power obeba because emaburu ne hia no mahama mamuo fu aye prokasa enkunuma ye kohwiagu atu ejimo no ene na moka ede bi oba obedwe nanum kire Ghanafo but onhunu kotoko mfa nyedai ekura nyedai enchem etumu enchem munkwana munkoto mahama fo yesese wonu mafuto to akowuram ne koto akohwede afro omlefie no onuane akokọ na nado aban oyebi muna munyi aye muna muye ungrateful mu didi wia na mu de mano saje Ghanafo do manu twitwi efom school free education na nado baye munya Christian na wuni no tru musa tanka ebe gira wakacha musa school ye de yadan enkura no kwa na kwotro kwacha Christian na wuni abo utwam fun kankan abo ma mi kofini ene enkura no mokwa ba na kwa mudu wo mo mahama utumi fidi wo mu tru spare me nkwasiafo mutwa sirichom mesamafo mame fa unsia
me da asuma me